Hey, what's up y'all? It's your girl Sana Amira and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm Sana. I like to do a lot of unboxings, unbaggings. I like to sprinkle a few vlogs here and there, a few beauty videos here and there. So if that's something that you think you'd be interested in, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you can be notified every time I post a new video. So today I'm very excited because I'm doing one of my favorite things, which is an unboxing video. It's one of my favorite things. So the box is humongous because what I got is humongous. Anyways, so yeah, let's get into this, okay? I'm really excited. It's from Jeffrey Campbell. I love Jeffrey Campbell. Early 2000 girlies know. If you know, you know. So yeah, let's dig into this box to see what I got. But yeah, early 2000s girlies know that Jeffrey Campbell is the shit and been the shit since then. Tumblr era, all that shit. Jeffrey Campbell was a part of it. Ooh, I'm excited. I need to put it up here. Look at it. I love their box. It's so good. It's so good. I'm so excited. All right. I made it. Okay. So, I got the honky-tonk boots in a 9.5. Yeah, okay, let's get it open. I'm so excited. Here they are. Aren't they beautiful? I love them so much. So, the story behind these is when I was really little, my mom got me cowboy boots, red cowboy boots, and I loved them so much. And I ended up getting some Steve Madden boots, like red boots to match like what I had when I was little. Them things tore up so fast, they disintegrated because it was fake leather. But yeah, Jeffrey Campbell, she built to last. So let me go ahead and try these on so you guys can see. Let me pull out though. And y'all know I love a Spice Girl moment, so I had to get it with the platform. So cute. I'm obsessed. Jeffrey also had, what's crazy is that they had these metallic red ones that I really wanted, but those sold out. So when I saw these, I was like, okay, I'm gonna get them. I really like them, so I'm gonna get them. So yeah, I can live out my childhood, but also be a badass at the same time and a Spice Girl. So I get the best of many worlds. I love them. I love them so much. Let me go try these on. So this is how the boots look on. Don't mind my dress. I am allergic to ironing. And I will go out in this outfit, but I will steam it before I go out, okay? So don't judge me. Y'all are seeing me before the world is seeing me, okay? So, yeah, these are the boots. I love them. They're really comfortable, which is so good. Yeah. I love them. I don't know, I can't say anything else. There's nothing else to say. They're amazing. They're fun. They're funky. They're comfortable. They look badass. I'm obsessed. I love them. This dress may look familiar. I posted it to my Instagram. If you want to go check it out. But I did wear the original boots that I was talking about that tore up. If you want to go see. But yeah. I really like this. I'm happy. Now I'm gonna play pool. Yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. Please make sure to comment and subscribe. Yeah, make sure to follow me on all my social media at Honest Marrow, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.